Hello everyone, welcome to Maya. In this lecture, we're gonna learn about basic tools of camera like rotation, pan, dolly, zoom. Let's start with the rotation of camera. For rotation, you can tumble the camera around by holding the Alt key and dragging with the left mouse click. And for pan, you can hold the Alt key with the dragging of the middle mouse button. And for dolly, holding the Alt key plus right mouse button. To create any object, click one of the 7 primitives up here in the Poly Modeling shelf, or you can create it from the Poly Primitive tab. In case of transform attributes like translate, rotate, and scale, you can alter them interactively using these 3 tools in the toolbox. And first of all, the move tool. You can move the selected object by dragging the transform manipulator, and shortcut for the move tool is key W on the keyboard. Now for the rotate tool, you can rotate the selected object by dragging the rotation manipulator, and shortcut for the rotate tool is key E on the keyboard. And now for the scale tool, you can scale the selected object by dragging the scale manipulator with the left click of the mouse, and shortcut for the scale tool is key R on the keyboard. And now this is select tool. You can select the object in the scene or in the editor windows with the left key, and the shortcut for the select tool is key Q on the keyboard. You can view its attributes in either channel box or the attribute editor. Changing values in either can alter the shape or position of the primitive. We hope you liked the video. In the next lesson, we will show you how to create the simplest 3D model of a table and a chair. Thank you for watching.